Some months ago, a German television team contacted me because they had heard about my science challenge and had found a physicist at Georgetown University I could debate. They also wanted to make it as easy on the scientist as possible, so their idea was simple. They would record me on video, reading 5 quick science-based questions, and then send that recording over to Georgetown, and he would respond in kind. This is what I read on camera.
Well, thank you so much, Mark, for that kind introduction. Although you left my name out, well, that's okay. That's a lot for the Prince of Flat Earth to remember. I would like to say thank you to all of you who showed up for our huge conference, all 10 of you. This is a really big opportunity for me to address the entire regional flat earth community. I'm so honored to be here today. Now, I'm going to turn the podium back to Mark. At this time, we will listen to his first question and then offer a response to him to answer. Mark?
1. Long-distance photography. The mainstream science formula for the curvature of the Earth is 8 inches per mile squared. An easy comparison would be the falling rate of 32 feet per second. So 8 inches per mile per mile. 2 miles is 2 times 2 equals 4 times 8 inches, or 32. 3 miles is 3 times 3 equals 9 times 8, or 72, and so on. At 50 miles, the curvature is 50 times 50 times 8, coming in at over 1,600 feet of curvature. And yet, with HD cameras, we can pull boats back into frame that are well beyond visual range. Not only does the new technology clearly show that it's not a mirage, but the same objects can be viewed in infrared and can be targeted ship to ship by beam radar. Can science explain this? They had no answer.
Well, thank you for that question, Mark. We do appreciate your candid expressions. It does show, however, your complete lack of understanding of scientific concepts. This is not a scientific question. First of all, if you Google the 8 inches per mile squared, the only web pages that show up are flat earth related. It is certainly not the mainstream calculation for curvature. You said 1,600 feet. Yes, right at the top of the parabola, it does fit the curvature of the Earth. It is an easy calculation for flat earthers and offers an approximation to curvature. The equation for a circle has to have 2 squares in it or have a trig function. So I went to Google. I used a mainstream calculator that is unrelated to flat Earth or globe Earth. It gives the distance to the horizon and the amount hidden as 32 feet. So 32 feet, not 1,600 feet. So what is Mark's response to that? He had no answer. Well, this is all that we have time for today. I look forward to sharing another question with you tomorrow. Feel free to enjoy the booths out in the hallway. Of course, we were lied to about the rooms. This is not a five-star hotel with luxury rooms. It does not have a star rating of any kind. And you have been assigned to rooms as 2 couples per room, plus 1 single who has to sleep in the bathtub. Good night.